gain insight into the transformation of a uniform to body-worn ready. When a client's shipment of uniforms come in, it makes its way to Utilities Shipping Department, where it gets sorted and delivered to the uniform team. Let's follow this uniform through the process. The uniform team checks and sorts every individual garment within every box, ensuring it matches the order. Our system for handling paperwork keeps the uniforms organized. From there, it gets marked in the system as received. At that point, the client is alerted via email. From here, the order is assigned to a seamstress. The seamstress takes the box of uniforms to their sewing station to begin the modification process. All of Utilities seamstresses work out of our headquarters in Decatur, Georgia, USA. A template is used to determine the placing of the body camera mounting system. Let's watch as she transforms this uniform from ordinary to extraordinary, not only adding in a layer of transparency, but also an added layer of safety. Several steps later, and the uniform is ready to be checked. Once checked, it is on to the finishing department. A hole is cut, then grommeted. This is where the body camera lens will peek through the garment. The modified uniforms then go to our quality assurance department, where each garment is hand-checked and placed back in individual bags with related tags. After that, it's packed up and prepared for shipping. At this point in the process, the client will receive another status email. The uniform goes back into the shipping department and then out the door to the client. Rest assured, every uniform garment that comes through Utilities Sewing Studio is handled with care. You can depend on us to capture the truth.